The toast of the town, discovering its charm. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're exploring a delightful phrase that's as charming as it is intriguing. Toast of the town. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves diving into idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning behind this phrase and see how it's used in everyday English. The phrase, toast of the town, refers to a person who is receiving a lot of attention and admiration in a particular community or area at a given time. Imagine someone who is celebrated, talked about, and highly esteemed by everyone around them. This person could be famous for their achievements, personality, or recent success in any field. The idea is that they are as desirable and celebrated as a toast would be at a grand celebration. The term toast, in this context, has a fascinating history. It dates back to the 17th century, where the practice of floating a piece of spiced or toasted bread in wine was believed to enhance the drink's flavor. Over time, the act of toasting during gatherings became associated with honor and goodwill towards a person. Thus, being the toast of the town signifies being the person everyone is celebrating or honoring. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Here are some examples to show how toast of the town can be seamlessly integrated into conversations. After her novel became a bestseller, she was the toast of the town. Following his groundbreaking invention, the scientist became the toast of the town. The phrase can be used in both formal and informal contexts, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. This phrase not only enriches your language skills but also gives you insight into English-speaking culture's appreciation for achievements and recognition. Being the toast of the town reflects a moment of universal acclaim and popularity, showcasing how communities come together to celebrate individual success stories. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, toast of the town. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you a glimpse into the cultural nuances of the English language. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries, and each idiom or phrase you learn adds color and depth to your conversations. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning!